first shift. Yeah.
How do you feel?
A little nervous. Don't want to fall off the back of a truck, so we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
All right. What do you have there?
I've got safety goggles, gloves, and a hat. So we'll see how I hold up today. As a county commissioner, it's important for me to understand how our service departments work inside and out. So recently, I decided to see what the day in the life of a sanitation worker was like. I hopped on the back of a garbage truck, and here's how it went.
Did good. He did real good. I mean, he caught on quick, and the biggest thing is just being safe, holding on. He did an excellent job. And it's real big. It's real big to be able to get a first-hand taste of what goes on every day, what these gentlemen and ladies do out here. And for him to, come on out here and take time to do that and just to experience it, it's real big.
How are you?
My daughter and I always see them on Monday mornings, especially the recycling crew. And they're always very friendly. We say hi, they say hi, and the driver honks at us, and she loves it. Just thank you for the good work. I mean, we're very satisfied.